Hey everybody, it's Eddie J on Crypto. Hope you're having a good one. So, what's going on today? It's going to be a crazy day. I can almost guarantee it. You've got Consumer Price Index or CPI numbers coming out later this morning, probably in about 2 hours, right? About an hour and a half, hour 40 minutes. Then what you have is, I was just looking to see if Stitch was around. Then after that, what do you have? That's the FOMC meeting. That's going to be huge, right? Depending on the data that we see for the CPI numbers coming back, we could see Powell talk about that. But nobody's expecting a rate cut. That would be dumb. All the senators that wrote notes to Powell saying cut the rates, it's because it's an election year and they want everybody to have the rates cut so the market booms and everybody sees, current people in office as doing really well. The fact is that would hammer and just crush our economy because it would raise inflation, and the whole thing that we're in right now is battling inflation and greedflation. Let's not forget about that. So all eyes are on CPI at 8:30, and then I think later on this afternoon, I forgot the actual time for the meeting. Oh, the FOMC decision comes at 2 p.m. All right. What else is going on? Yeah, I got my notes. You know me. What else is going on? OKX. OKX is getting hammered. $204 million in outflows right now over the past 24 hours. Why? Two-factor authentication seems to be failing them. What else is going on over there? I mean, let's see. There are vulnerabilities in two-factor authentication and fake AI videos prompting an investigation. OKX is not a small company. They're not a small exchange. I think they're ranked like third in the world or something like that, third or fourth in the world. They're definitely in the top 5. So that's a major problem. Major problem. But they're seeing outflows happening all over the place. This is why I tell you guys, pay attention to where you're at, and keep on top of it every day. Every day. OKX is a strong company. They really are. They do a lot of good work over there. But everybody can falter. And this is, I guess, their turn. So if you had what I do with centralized exchanges, I use them for certain things, and then I take my digital assets off. So handle my transaction, and then I'm out. That's the idea. And that's only if I have to. It also depends on how much I have to spend in transaction fees. Usually centralized exchanges are cheaper than, the decentralized exchanges in a lot of cases. Anyway, what else is going on? Tether. Tether's on a rip. Tether is on a rip. Tether is about to introduce a new fund, $1 billion to be spent in emerging markets for AI and biotech. What they're saying is that we're branching out. We've got enough money. We can branch out. We will branch out. We are branching out. So paying attention to that. To everybody that's thinking Tether doesn't have money, or they don't have enough in reserves, or they're an algorithmic stablecoin and that's not good. They seem to be firing on all pistons right now. So we should be paying attention. We really should be paying attention. What else is going on? Spot Bitcoin ETFs see $200 million in outflows, daily outflows. That's painful. Led by Grayscale, no less. Led by Grayscale. BlackRock took the least of the hit. They took the least of the hit, and Grayscale took the most. I'm wondering if it's, caused by fees. If you have high fees, nobody's going to want to pay attention. If you have low fees, people probably want to be there. And remember, you're talking when you're talking about those fees, you're talking about for millions and millions and millions of dollars. So those fees actually are big numbers, right? For a little guy like me, yeah, I'm probably not going to notice. But for big companies that are moving millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions, they're going to notice. And they can't afford to be giving away huge sums of money for almost nothing in return. So yeah, that's something to pay attention to. Something big is DEX tools. Shiba Swap, that's right, the decentralized exchange that was born by Shiba Inu. They're integrating DEX tools to enhance the trading experience on Shiba Swap. When I tell you, everybody gets on me because they're like, oh, you seem to be talking about Shiba Inu a lot and blah, 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 wah, wah, wah. You want to know why? Because it's a meme coin that grew up. It's a meme coin that has shed that meme moniker. I don't know why people still refer to it as a meme coin. They have a whole ecosystem, including Shiba Swap. So I just don't understand how, people still refer to it as a meme coin. When you have real use cases, you can't call it a meme coin anymore. You know what I mean? Come here, you. Come here. There you go. I'll take you out after this. So I just don't understand. You can't put them in the same bin, as a Pepe or something else like that, because they've got real things going on. They've got way more going on than Doge in terms of building out ecosystem and having different ways of doing everything. Hey, big boy. That's the idea. Yeah, I know. I'll take you out in a little bit. You just want to go outside and play in the grass. We know this. So, what we're looking at right now is, them integrating those DEX tools and expanding, their not interoperability, but expanding their use case and utility in the DeFi space. That makes it huge. That makes it really huge. So I'm expecting big things out of Shiba Inu. I really am. That's just more good news. Ethereum is struggling with MEV bots. Now, there's a lot of talk on the street that MEV bots might have been created by Solana. Solana's solution for handling MEV bots is to pay their validators a little bit more. And I'm sitting back and I'm going, how is that sustainable? Right? You have to fight the actual bot, not pay your validators to move things quicker for those, for those bots and create higher fees. I don't know if they created them. I know that they're bad. Duh. But I don't think that's a sustainable solution. So they found a solution. I just don't think that it's a sustainable solution. And clearly it's not going to be one that is, done with Ethereum. They're looking for better solutions. And remember, bots are trying to make as much money as possible using maximum extractable value. And I'm just sitting here and I'm going, it's not an easy thing to beat. It really isn't. Really, really isn't. Anyway, I'm going to make today's show short only because what's happening later on this morning and later this afternoon, those are going to be important. So not everything else is going to matter today. We will go through the numbers though. So let's do that. Pull, push, boop. There you go. So if you look at today, you've got the CPI numbers coming out right here at 8:30. And what people are looking for is, actually, that's funny. Just a little while ago, this number was 3.4% as an expectation, and now they're saying it's 3.6. Wow. I wonder how that moved. Oh, no, here it is. Year over year, 3.4. Right? And then, because core CPI is different, but you're expecting 3.4 over CPI year over year and 3.5 CPI, core CPI year over year. Any higher, inflation is a problem. Any lower, we're moving in the right direction. That would give Powell the perfect opportunity to say, we're not going to lower rates right now, but given the numbers, we might be looking at this in the future. So that would open the door for that. So that's what everybody's looking for. So right now, what do I have? I've got dry powder on tap to react in any direction. So I'm ready to sell if I need to sell. If I need to sell, I'm ready to buy if I need to buy. Because everything is lower right now, and we'll keep going through. So I thought the number would go down. I thought the number would hit like 70, not 72. But the Fear and Greed Index is at 72 right now. DeFi Llama, we're at $126 billion in total value locked. If you're looking at Bitcoin right now, you can see where we took a big dip. A big dip. I mean, in some places you might have seen 65,000 and change. dead serious, right? High didn't stay there, but it touched it. I didn't think we'd see 65 like at all ever again, but we did. We saw it, and right now it's at 67,963. That's no joke. So if you're looking across the board, looking at the big board, you can definitely see how there are extreme opportunities right now to get in and do something. Ethereum at 3,547, good number. And actually, almost any of these are good numbers. What I will point out, Toncoin. Toncoin seems to have found its bottom, and its bottom right now, just right now, I'm not saying that it could never go lower, but its bottom right now seems to be around $7. It did go below $7 yesterday, but it battled back, and it's saying, no, we kind of like above 7. And it seems to be trying to stay there, and I'm paying attention to that because I am holding a bag. Slightly bigger bag because I bought some. Pepe is doing better, but I am paying attention to all of these numbers. Why? Because nobody's at their all-time highs. Nobody's at their all-time highs, right? Got a little ways to go before you find a coin that's at their all-time highs. Close to them, but not there. And you still have a lot of opportunity with other coins. Look at Solana. They're 41% off their all-time high. Let's see, 41% for them. This is what makes it hard for me. 87% off its all-time high is XRP. And I have to say, given everything that XRP is doing right now, I do not know if XRP is actually looking at going any higher. Court case or no court case, they had a significant win just a few months ago, and they didn't move. Didn't move. I think Ripple's focus really is on that stable coin running on XRP Ledger. And I don't think they're paying attention to XRP anymore. For them, it's all about XRP Ledger. Unfortunate, but that could be the case until they show me another move that actually focuses on the growth of XRP in terms of price. That's going to be my outlook going forward. Can it go up a little bit more? Can it hit $1? If everything else is going up, XRP will eventually go up, but will it go up on its own? Ooh, that's what I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing them work in that direction. But I am watching, Cardano's got big news coming at 42 cents. Oh my Lord. I just bought some. I'm thinking about buying some more now. Look at this. 86% off its all-time high at 42 cents. I'm just saying, go up to 52 cents, not even 52 cents, go up to 50 cents and you're at 20% gain. I'm just saying that could happen in the very near future. This is what I'm talking about. So even if the CPI numbers come out higher than expected and the market takes another dip, that's the only reason why I'm waiting. Because usually after Powell opens up his mouth, everything takes a dip. And I plan on buying on that dip. The only way the market takes off before then is the CPI numbers come out and they're extremely good. That's what I would expect to happen. But I'm thinking, yeah, we could see another dip and then see everything come back. Shiba Inu, yeah, that Shiba Inu has become a little bit of a powerhouse. At 22, I'm sitting back and I'm saying, so is 20 your low? Is Shiba Inu like putting signs out there as a coin? 20 is our low now? Because remember, they had that pop up and they haven't looked back yet. And I don't know that they will. So I think Shiba Inu might have found its bottom. Avalanche is still doing well. Not all that well, but it is doing well. But it's having a hard time with Shiba Inu because it was up a bit and then it fell back down, right? But Shiba Inu seems to be looking to grow. If Shiba Inu grows, I think Shiba Inu could outgrow Cardano. I really do think so. Even with its new Voltaire, implementation coming up, I think Shiba Inu can outgrow Cardano. And if that were to happen, that would be huge. Shiba Inu in the top 10 coins. Ooh, baby. Just saying. Chain link at this number I have to buy some more. I have to put more in the bag. I'm just waiting. I do not, maybe I'll put a little bit in now, right? In case it goes up, hold most of the money back. And then if it goes up or down, buy some more. Buy some more. Because if it goes up, it's going to continue going up. So I'll just get in, some more. If it goes down, it's not going to stay there. So get in while I can get in. That would be what I'd be looking at. Anyway, this is Eddie J on crypto for GrowMyBag.tv. Like I said, we are looking for CPI numbers and what comes out of the Fed, interest rate discussion or decision later today. Tonight's show at 8 p.m. is going to be quite interesting. It was lively last night. I'm expecting it to be even more lively tonight. Pay attention, folks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.